Hi there and welcome to episode number 4 of Beginner's Python Coding on Raspberry Pi. This is all about input. So in this video we are going to ask the user to enter some text and then we're going to display it using some variables. So let's get started. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we release a new episode. Also, you can check out our website leafcutterlearning.com where we've got links to all our videos and lots more Leafcutter Learning content. Okay, so let's open up Thonny from the programming menu. There we go. If you remember in episode number 2 when we started looking at variables, we created a short little program to say hello using a username. So I'll just recreate it here so you can take a look at it. We did username equals, I can't remember what we used, was it Fred? And then we did print hello and then username. So if I run that, it should just say hello Fred. Now what we want to do in this episode is we want to, instead of writing out the username in our program like this, which is called hard coding, which means it can't change because it's always coded into the program, we are going to ask the user to enter their name and then we're going to say hello to them. So the way that we do this is the input command. Now the way that the input command works is you create a variable, so we can use username, and you say username equals input. And so what Python is going to do now is it is going to wait for the user to enter some text, and then whatever text it enters, it's going to put it into the username variable, and then we are going to print it out using the print command. So let's give that a go. If I just run that. So you can see at the bottom of the screen here in the shell, the cursor is just flashing, and that's basically Python waiting for us to type something in. So if I type in Lisa and press return, you can see that we're saying now hello Lisa. And so what's happened is Python's taken whatever we've written, put it in the username variable, and then printed out hello username. So obviously the main problem with this is it's not very user friendly. So ideally we'd like to ask the user or give the user a prompt to say why don't you enter your name. So there's two ways that we can do that. The way that we know about already is using the print command. So we could just put a print statement up here to say enter your name. And if we run that, you can see that we've got some text there saying enter your name, and that makes it a bit more obvious what we need to do. And so then we could type in Fred and it's going to say hello Fred. Now because that's quite a common thing that you need to do, the input command actually has this feature built in where inside the brackets here we can put in a prompt which Python will display before the flashing cursor so that you can help people to understand what it is that you want them to enter. So if I put in enter your name here, get rid of the line above. So we've got username equals the input command with a prompt of enter your name, and we're going to print out hello whatever username you put in. So enter your name, Joe. Hello Joe. You can see that we just need to tidy that up a little bit more because we haven't put in a space or a gap at the end of that text, so we can just do that again. So there you go, enter your name with a space. We can now try a different name. So you can see that that's working pretty well. Okay, great. So if you have any trouble with that, post it down in the comments below. And in the next episode, we will look at the same sort of thing, but with numbers, because there's just a little extra bit that we need to do when we're working with numbers and the input function. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out the links below for some more videos in this series.